in Accra between Ghana and Sudan.
And we controlled everything. The only thing which was missing was the goals, and surely we have to work on this. We have some few days to analyze it, how we can score better. The chances were there, a lot of chances, but this is football. This is football, sometimes very, very hard, difficult for us. So now it pains even more. The Niger game pains even more. And also the last minute goal against Angola pains even more, because today, again, we did well, and there's nothing much I can say. And just the result, and this is the most important thing in football, is not correct. And I think we deserve to win, but we didn't. And we will stay positive, and we will beat them away with the same performance, the same passion, the same creativity up front. We will beat them away.
Let's have your questions.
My name is Yobi. I work with the Daily Guide Network. Coach, in your pre-match conference yesterday, you made it clear that the probability of Team Ghana losing today's game was very, very low. If only we are going to play together as a team, and then we are going to be committed on the course for today, we're definitely going to win. So you see nothing about losing or not getting the maximum 3 points for today. In your own estimation, do you feel the togetherness and the spirit of commitment was lacking in today's game?
No.
The defensive worries of conceding 10 goals in the previous games, 6 games, or this is the 7th one, has been sorted out. How then would you work on this team to be able to at least take their chances to score a lot more? Because today in the final third, so many chances, but it looks like that, vibe and, vibrancy from the team to finish off the opportunities was missing.
Surely we will try to train finishing and give them confidence. That's all. This was the only thing which was missing. The spirit was good, the passion was there, the defensive discipline was there. It's just about to finish the actions. That's all. That's all. And yeah, Sudan was very lucky today. And next time we see them in Libya, they won't be lucky. Then we win. That's all.
Coach, I'm Steven Daily Guide Network. Steven Kwekwasari from Daily Guide Network. It's been 20 years we failed to qualify for the AFCON. The last time was in 2004, if I remember. And look at how we started. We picked 2 points from possible 9. How much of a worry is it for you as a coach leading Black Stars, knowing that we could be facing another issue of not qualifying for the World Cup, especially for the AFCON, especially when our record at the Baba Sports Stadium has been under a tenure, coach?
Look, I'm not interested in records or whatsoever. I want to win the next game, and then the world looks different. That's all. And all these statistics and this and that, yeah, okay, it's like that. So what can I do? We can only look forward and look for the next match and try to score it. That's all. We will try as much as today, and then it will be rewarded. Well, that's all I can say.
Good evening, coach. My name is Nanache. I work for Preside Work GH. An improved game today, but in our next game, we definitely need to win to be sure of qualifying to the next AFCON. This is the camera. Look through the camera and give some assurance to Ghanaian that going away, you are definitely going to win.
Look, this assurance, what everybody's talking about, is why? For what? For this is football. I cannot even assure. Maybe God will take me tomorrow. I'm dead. What can I assure? We will try our best, and I know that at the end we'll be rewarded. And the positive thing is, what I want to tell you, all of you, it's still in our own hands. We have to win the next game. That's all. We have to win the next game, and then still we are not qualified. Then it's still a long way. You know, it's going to be very, very tough to the last match, I think. But we will do it. With this performance, again, we will do it at in Libya against Sudan. No.
Okay, coach. My name is Ibrahim Yakubu. I work with GH News. Looking at, before we played this game, we saw some changes in the captaincy. When did they, when Jordan, it was Jordan and you were supposed to have been the captain.
Look, the coach decides. Okay. No, the coach decides who is the captain, and I decided. Let's move on to the next question.
Okay, coach. Football is guided by history and statistics. First of all, my name is Samuel from Vision 1 FM. My name is Samuel from Vision 1 FM. And we all know football is guided by history and statistics. Before this game, were you aware that Ghana had only drawn with Sudan for once, and that it was on the 10th of October 2010? Today is on the 10th of October 2024, 14 years. Were you aware there was that history governing this game?
No.
Yeah, coach. My name is Cappuccino, Movement TV. I would like to find out from you, looking at the Sudanese side today, how do you rate them? Do you see them to be a threat to Ghana going to away?
Every team is a threat, and they did well in defending today, especially their goalkeeper did well. But like I said, if we are a little bit more clever in using our chances, we would have won today, and this is what we need to work on. Their performance, I think we were better. I'm looking at my team, and I think we were good. The goalkeeper defended well. But we created so many chances, I can't say they had a good performance. The only good thing they had is the point they took. And there we have to work on it. It's a result sport, like I said before. We have to work on winning games, and we have to win the next game to stay in the race.
Coach, my name is Addo, also on YouTube. I followed your team quite well. This is one of them games where everything was right, from how the players pressed high up the pitch. The players give everything on the pitch, but it's one of them games when it ends in a 0-0. Moments like that tends to hit the players well, and in most cases, it's a bit difficult to get them to play similar style or give more like that in the next game. In your opinion, how difficult will it be to get them to play like that? Because I believe maybe our next game will be more psychological than getting the players to be more tactical.
Yeah, very good question. It's a psychological game, and we have to be fearless. We have to believe in ourselves, because these kind of games sometimes take, especially from young players, like they believe in themselves to score whatever. We have to keep our heads up, and that's what I told everyone now. So they did well, and at the end we'll be rewarded. We have to believe in ourselves. We will train finishes, intelligent finishes, and then we will score them.
The last question.
All right, Coach. I'm Asarius, Kani TV. Yes, today, as we all saw, the team actually showed up more than what we've been seeing in recent times. But creating the opportunity to get anyone to finish off those chances, do you think we need any new striker or strikers in the team, or do you feel you can still do it at the moment? Thank you.
No, I think they showed it international on every level that they can score, all of them, and I believe in them that they will score the next game.